House. Today I'm working on the Made with Love paper pack, and it is so cute. So we've got some kind of ombre hearts here with a real cute Cupid photo on the back. We've got some little flowers with some little hearts on the back. Itty bitty hearts with some lines of hearts on the back. Super cute. Oh, I love this one. Kind of mishmashed hearts with this kind of Morse code stuff going on. A small kind of almost mismatched hearts with some cute, oh, these are cute polka dots. And then we've got some gorgeous little XOs and some fun stripes. So this is a very nice paper pack we have. So you can do things with the paper pack. We've also got the Love Story scrapbooking workshop. Now the feature in this one is using baker's twine, but it also has a cutting guide inside and assembly instructions for you. So this one actually has a half a pack of paper in here. 2 each of 3 designs instead of 2 each of 6 designs. So half of the papers in there. And then we also get a couple exclusive papers. So this white background, and usually these two are for the background pages of the scrapbook. And then we also have some cardstock, colorful and white. And then we've got some die cuts in here to decorate our pages. A big heart here. And then a sticker sheet. Now you can get this sticker sheet with the paper pack if you choose and do your own thing. And then we've got some photo placeholders as well. So that is our Love Story Scrap with Robin and the Made with Love paper pack. So can't wait to play with mine, that's for sure. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.